How to start trading Forex number 2. Purchase a gaming desktop or laptop for superior graphics. Or tablet or Salif on the go. I suggest a gaming computer because you may want to add more screens. Pick a platform, MetaTrader 4 or 5, TradingView, TradeStation, NinjaTrader. The most common is MetaTrader 4 with 5 as a close second. What type of trader are you? Position trader, swing trader, day trader, scalper, easiest to the hardest. Position trader equals weekly, monthly, swing trader equals 4-hour daily, day trader equals 5 minutes 1 hour, scalper equals 1 minute to 5 minutes. Start with a fixed lot size, 0.01 until you have a consistently profitable edge. Again, never risk more than 1% on any trade and stay below 10% capital risk on any collection of open trades. This also means you always trade with a stop loss. Who are we trading against? Big banks, central banks, corporate commercial, and large investors. We are retail investors. Remember, in trading someone has to lose in order for us to win. This is why I recommend another form of analysis, sentiment analysis. Our tradable instruments are currencies, commodities, contracts for different CFD, cryptocurrencies, and metals. Do you want to trade with or without indicators? When doing technical analysis, you can just follow indicators, or follow price action, naked charts, or combine the two styles. I recommend the combination. Know when and what the news is. Always be watchful for high-impact news. I recommend Forex Factory as your news source. Use EA Builder to build, then test your strategy out. Affiliate link in the description, then find out if you have an edge in the market. EA Builder has many of the basic indicators and you can upload custom indicators. You can make an indicator or an expert advisory A. That's it for this lesson.